Photographs are arguably the most important part of any eBay or Amazon listing. Now, if you follow my channel, you probably would have caught a video I did a couple of weeks ago, which covered how to take better photographs to help your product sell quicker on eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you caught that video, you can see that we really focused on white background photography, which is probably the best way to really accentuate your product. But today, we're going to look at the flip side of that. We're going to look at how you take photographs using a textured backdrop that will really make your products look fantastic. So we're going to take a trip to a local DIY store where they've got all the products that we need, and we are going to have a go at making our own photography backdrop. So once we've made our textured backdrop, we're going to select a product, we're going to photograph it on a white background, we're going to photograph it on the textured background, and then we'll compare the two and see what works the best. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's go. Let's go build a backdrop. Okay guys, so there we have it. Welcome to our brand new wood effect backdrop. Now, I've made this from 12mm laminate flooring, so it's really durable. I plan to take photographs of phones, tablets, laptops, desktops, for example, and I've made it wide enough so actually you can put the product in the backdrop and still have a really good amount of space either side. I've opted, and I just want to show you this, I've opted to make this in two separate parts. So as you can see, this bit detaches and is separate from the bottom piece. Now, I've done that on purpose, mainly because I want to be able to transport this around different parts of the warehouse. We actually take photographs downstairs in our testing area as well. So ease of transport is a must. Normally I'd make a couple of L brackets out of maybe 3x2 timber and screw it down to make a fixed backdrop. Now, if you are going to be photographing in one particular location, then that might be an ideal thing to do to make sure that you're not knocking the back over or nothing falls over. But I'm really pleased with the outcome. Now, as you can probably see, I've chosen quite a light wood effect here, and I've done that on purpose, mainly because I still do like light backgrounds. Now, depending on what type of photographs that you're actually producing, you can go for something a little bit darker, maybe a light oak or like a Jacobean dark sort of colour if if that suits your products. I've gone with a nice grained ash wood effect, and I think if we set our photographs up well, they're going to look absolutely stunning. So as you can see, this is my old backdrop, which is my white foam boards. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set up a photograph with a mobile phone, and we're going to do a photograph with a small laptop as well, and we are going to compare the two and just see what works the best. Okay guys, there we have it. 2 sets of photographs done, one on the new textured background and one on the existing white background. Now I don't know what your thoughts are, but personally the added dimension that the textured background gives the photographs, it just edges it over the white background for me. Now don't get me wrong, white background photographs will always remain in my arsenal and I'll always use them for certain types of products, but I think moving forward, the new textured background is just moved itself into position number 1, and I'm going to use that moving forward for majority of my product photos. And I've already managed to list the iPhone featured in this video for sale on eBay, and I think you'll pretty much agree that it looks spot on. The images look fantastic. Now the cost to make this was really cheap compared to if you went out to say Amazon for example and purchased a purpose background. 1 pack of flooring, the board, glue and a saw, 35 quid all in. It took me about an hour and a half to make, and to be honest with you, massive value for money when you consider what type of photographs you can produce. So if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you can be notified of all the great content that we produce, which we're trying to do every single week, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up so we know that you appreciate the content that we're producing. So good luck with your project. If you want to ask any questions, please use the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one.